What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator, and here with a Family Dollar haul. I'm actually going to throw in a couple other items from a couple other stores once I finish with this, but I really wanted to share with you guys some of these deals I got here from Family Dollar, you guys, because they are, guess what? They are dollar deals, and I couldn't believe I found these items. So these items that I'm going to share are items that were up in a clearance cart near the registers, and it looked like they were changing out many sections in the stores. So that's why I'm sharing these, because I'm hopeful that you guys will also find these items marked down in your stores. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I want to share is this Cantu. Can you guys believe that I found this for $1? I believe this retails for $5 normally. It was actually on my receipt, and I'm pretty sure that this is normally a $5 product. This is a cream conditioner, a hydrating cream conditioner for natural hair. Next, I found some of these, you guys, also for just $1. These are the Advanced Therapy Skin Lotions, and I'm hoping maybe my husband will give these a try because he loves the Lubriderm brand, and this is supposed to be comparable to Lubriderm. These are normally, I want to say, $4 each or $3.85. I'll have to check my receipt again. I got two. How many did I get? They had a lot of them in there. I think these were normally $3.85, $4, like I said. I think I got 4 of them. If my husband doesn't use these, then I'll just have Bunny use these. I'll have my kids use these. But they also had this brand here, and these ones are comparable to Vaseline Total Moisture. You guys hear my cat Egypt? He is such a noisy boy. But I got these, and these are the dry skin lotions, and they feel pretty nice. These are normally $3 each, and you get 10 ounces. But again, I got it for just $1. So all in all, I spent, what, $2, $6, $8 for these items, and the Cantus alone would have cost me $10. So I feel like I got some really great deals. I also got some of these, you guys. These are a current favorite of mine. These are the Biggs Vlasic Dill Pickle Sunflower Seeds. You get 4 ounces. These are so delicious. If you guys like sunflower seeds, these are really nice to pass the time away if you're driving, or you just, you know, you just want to have a little fun, pass the time away, have something a little bit salty. These are really salty, but they are really delicious. So I think I got 2 or 3 of these, and I love that Family Dollar offers these for just $1, because sometimes in grocery stores they could be a little more than $1. That was it for Family Dollar. I recently went to Goodwill and found some Target Dollar Spot and some Target items that were just 33 cents each. You guys know it's been a minute since I've shared a little shop with me of these items. Most Goodwills, at least in this area, have the 3 for 99 cent bins. And these are all items donated by Target. These were so cute, and you get the little bear, and it has like the little comfort grip here, the bear with the heart, and these of course came from Target. This is the Dillon's Candy Bar Colorful Set, and I'm guessing that these were from Valentine's Day. They're super nice. This one is super, super sturdy. So I got this little guy. And then I found this cute little necklace. This is a cute little Easter necklace, and it has the little safety snap back. So I'm going to send this to my niece with her Easter package. I like sending her pretty things. I remember when Birdy was little, about 2 years old, she used to love wearing necklaces. She loved necklaces for years, and my niece is about to turn 2. I can't believe it. So I love putting together pretty little packages for her. I found this, and this is super nice. It's like a really furry velvet with the XOXO. And you guys, I paid 33 cents for this. Look how much this originally cost. This was $9.99. This is a Threshold item. I really like their Threshold line. This is super pretty, and I figured Birdy would hang it up. She recently got a pretty light pink canopy from Five Below. So I'm kind of matching some of these things with her canopy. This is something else I found. This was definitely not a Target dollar spot item. I think this was a threshold item too. However, it doesn't have any tags. We have sort of an ombre, mint green, purple, and down to a pink sort of progression. It's really pretty. It is actually super heavy. What does it say? Gartner Studios Incorporated? I don't know, you guys. Anyways, it's super pretty, and I thought it was a great deal for 33 cents. I also found these. These are by Spritz. These cute little sticker patches. I loved them. I thought they were so adorable. I love hearts. I'm not sure how much these originally were. Let's just say they were probably $3 or more originally. I also found this cute little cake tester set. This is from the Nerdy Nummies line, but it's a Wilton brand, you guys, and you know how good Wilton is and how expensive they can be. But I love the cute little pixelated hearts, and I love the little cute nerdy cookie. Here's what the back looks like. I'm not sure how much these were. I'm guessing probably, you know, $5, maybe a little less. And I guess I just have one more item to share from this bag. I only spent like $2 and some change. I found this. It says I'm scented. It is the 2 Scoops brand. It's a scented pillow, and I know you guys are like, that does not look like a pillow. I'm just going to need to fix this up, you guys, but it looks like it lost its elastic, and of course it has no stuffing. So this will be a real easy fix. I'll just get a bag of stuffing from Walmart, and I might wash this. It says it's scented, but you know, when stuff is in the bin, if it's clothing or cloth related, a lot of times I want to wash it anyways. But it's super cute, and I figured Birdie could put it in her bed. Those are the items I got from Goodwill. They all came from Target. I guess I don't really have any dollar spot items this time except for the cute little necklace. And last, you guys, I have some really cute items from Walmart that I wanted to share with you. This is going to be for my niece. It says Sparklesaurus. My sister told me that she is starting to get into dinosaurs, and I thought, how perfect. I love it when girls are into science and animals and dinosaurs, and I love that we have a cute little dinosaur here, making it okay for girls to really be into dinosaurs. I mean, I think this was so cute. I had to get it. So we have little Sparklesaurus. And then we have this cute mermaid. I thought the colors were so, so pretty. I love these colors. I love her hair. And my niece has a very aquatic, nautical themed name. And so whenever I see ocean or mermaid things, I always think about her. That was also $3.88. And then lastly, I'm not going to show you this item in here because it's an item for Birdie. It was a clearance item. But lastly, I found this, and you guys know I had to get this. This was $2.88. These are all Garanimal shirts. I loved it. Number one, I loved the pink. I love the seashells. I love the cactus, of course. We have flamingos of 2 different colors. I suggest buying these Garanimal shirts a little bit big for your kids. I always have been that sort of mom that buys clothes a little bit bigger because I actually want them to last. My kids are tall for their age. My niece, I believe, is tall for her age, which means the sizing can be a little tricky sometimes. So anyways, I loved picking these shirts out for her, and I'm going to send these shirts along with her Easter package. But you guys, these are so cute. They had other cactus themed shirts. They have so many cute shirts for girls and boys right now. Never forget about Walmart shirts, you guys, because they're a great deal. They're usually really on trend with their colors and their themes and everything, so I am never disappointed. But alright, you guys, that was my, I guess, what turned out to be a collective haul. We had clearance items from Family Dollar. We have 33-cent items from Goodwill via Target and these cute little shirts from Walmart. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you did, please go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Share with me down in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, hit that little button and subscribe. Well, alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.